Hey guys, Rick here at Tom Dinsdale Hyundai, and I got a cool trick to show you guys on our brand new 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. So, let's get on in here. Start it up so it's nice and warm for me. Alright, so first of all, we're going to go over here on the touchscreen, go to settings, scroll right, then you go to your setup and vehicle. Once this loads, you scroll and go to doors. All the way at the bottom. See that smart lift gate? We're gonna go ahead and turn that on. So what that does is once we're out of the vehicle, shut it off. Let's get out of here. Make sure you lock the vehicle. And you gotta walk away for 15 seconds and 15 feet. I think that's about close enough. All right, now let's walk back to the tailgate. Here's the key, so you guys don't see me playing any tricks. It's gonna beep 4 times, and on that 4th beep, it's gonna open up on its own. Look at that. No hands, no feet required. Feet, whatever makes sense. But yeah, there you go.